So in order to understand splatting with a real life analogy, we can look into the snowball analogy. The idea is that you imagine that you are throwing soft snowballs at a wall. Each snowball will hit the ball, leaves a fuzzy circular mark. Many snowballs together they form a complete picture, and that is what is splatting is. And if we map this analogy to the 3D Gaussian splatting, because something similar is happening when we talk about 3D Gaussian splatting. So here we have snowball which is acting like a 3D Gaussian. Here snowball is the 3D Gaussian, wall is the image plane, snow mark is the 2D Gaussian projection, and layering is the alpha blending. Because in 3D Gaussian splatting, we have 3D Gaussian, we are projecting it on the screen. So the screen, the wall is the image plane, and the mark is the 2D Gaussian projection, and layering is the alpha blending. That is what we do.